Nissan Foxconn EV partnership, a lifeline for Oppama or a strategic turning point. The automotive world stands at the crossroads of tradition and transformation. In a move that signals both urgency and opportunity, Nissan is reportedly considering a partnership with Taiwanese tech giant Foxconn to produce electric vehicles EVs at its Oppama plant in Japan. A facility once emblematic of Nissan's post-war rise, now facing potential closure. The decline of a legacy, the Oppama plant, established in 1961, is more than just a manufacturing facility. It is a historic symbol of Japan's automotive innovation. However, in recent years, Nissan's restructuring efforts, declining sales, and the global shift toward electrification have put this plant and its 3,900 employees on the chopping block. Faced with idle production lines and rising financial pressure, Nissan now appears open to a solution that once would have seemed unlikely: contract manufacturing for another brand, and not just any brand, but Foxconn, the world's largest electronics assembler. Foxconn's EV ambitions. Foxconn is no stranger to bold moves. Known globally for assembling Apple's iPhones, the company has aggressively entered the EV market, announcing its own electric vehicle platforms and partnerships with automakers around the world. For Foxconn, Japan represents a high-quality manufacturing base and access to a well-developed auto ecosystem. If the deal goes through, Foxconn-branded EVs could soon roll off Nissan's Japanese assembly lines. A radical reversal of roles in an industry where legacy automakers are used to calling the shots. A symbiotic strategy. This potential partnership appears to be a win-win. Nissan can keep the Oppama plant operational, retain thousands of jobs, and maintain its supplier network without needing to ramp up its own production. Foxconn gets manufacturing muscle in Japan and deeper integration into the global EV supply chain. More importantly, it shows how technology firms and traditional automakers are merging paths driven not by convenience but necessity. What it means for the industry. The line between tech and auto is blurring fast. Apple, Xiaomi, and Sony are all exploring EV ventures, and now Foxconn is partnering with legacy automakers for real-world production. For Japan, often criticized for lagging in the EV race, this partnership could act as a shock absorber, preserving its automotive manufacturing reputation while transitioning into the EV era. Final thoughts. Is this move a last-ditch effort to save jobs or a strategic realignment for the EV age? Perhaps it is both. But what's clear is this: greater than. The future of automotive manufacturing won't be defined solely by carmakers. It will be co-written by tech giants, global supply chains, and bold collaborations like this one. Watch this space. Nissan and Foxconn may have just laid the first bricks of a new EV industrial blueprint.